Meaning of fragment.
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 Fragment. A fragment is a small or incomplete part of something larger, often referring to a piece of writing or a physical object. It can also refer to a shattered or broken piece. Fragments are often considered undesirable in writing as they are incomplete thoughts that do not convey a clear message to the reader. In archaeology, fragments of ancient artifacts can be valuable as they provide clues to the culture and history of a particular time period. Proper use of grammar and sentence structure can help prevent the creation of fragments in writing.